Hello and welcome to this Justice Analytical Service video from the Scottish Government, providing an introduction to the Scottish Crime and Justice Survey data tables. In this video I want to show you how to find specific bits of data in the data tables and how to interpret them correctly. First thing you need to do is find the variable for the piece of information you're looking for, and the best place to do that is in our publications section. So go through the publications. You can see all the reports that we publish, and the main findings and the questionnaire are the best places to start, so you can find a variable name for what you're looking for. Once you have that, you can move forward to the data sets. This is all the tables that we published over the 4 sweeps of the survey, and we've got a master index page, and then we've got 5 volumes. Volume 1, that covers the main questionnaire variables and is asked of the full sample, and then we have the modules which are asked of the quarter sample, and they cover communities, perceptions of crime and civil justice topics. And then we've got the drugs module, that's based on the self-completion part of the questionnaire, which asks about drug use. And then we've got crime prevalence variables, and then we have in volume 4, and then in volume 5 we have the victim form variables. Each volume's has got 2 files, demographic breaks and then geography breaks, which cover police force area and community justice authority. This is the 2012-13, so it's using the legacy police force areas, but for 2014-15 we're going to provide the divisional structure of Police Scotland. So if we're just going to use an example, the variable I'm going to search for, it's in the main report, chapter 6, it's QS2 area, perception of crime rate in the local area over the last 2 years. So that's what I want to search for. So now I know my variable name, I'll go to the master index, click that, and then just download. I've already got it downloaded, so I'll just click over and bring it up. And then this is the introduction again, just giving a breakdown of the different volumes, and then you've got 3 columns, the variable, the question, and then where to find it. So I want QS2 area, that's it, row 30, look across, volume 1, so that's where I need to look. So go back to the web page, volume 1, just click that, takes you to the download page. Again, I've got it already downloaded, so I'll just bring it up. Here we go. Got three main pages, which all the data tables have. So the introduction again just breaks down the different volumes and then gives you information on how to read the data tables, and that's what I'm going to go through. And then I'll scroll down further, gives you an example of all the cross breaks, so as you can see there's quite a lot. And then you've got some offence codes and how they're grouped up for the different crime categories. If you want more information on that, look at our offence coding manual on our publications page. And then a bit on geographies, and I'll explain a bit more about them, and then some other stuff such as symbols and the conventions used in the table. So if I move to the index, so QS2 area, it's table 3, it's got 2 tables, I'll just explain that. So if I go to the first table, you can see the structure, so sample size, that's the number of respondents that were asked the question. And then you've got the down breaks, which are the variable categories, answer categories. And then we've got some summary categories, some of the answer categories being added together, so you've got more, less, or the same. And then you can move across. We've got the cross breaks, so we've got gender, age and gender. As I said, there were 2 tables, so if I go back, I click the other table, you've just got the other variable, the other demographic breaks, so victim status, socio-economic group, urban and rural, tenure and SIMD, and again, same table structure, allows you to compare across. So again, I want a bit more information on QS2 area, I want to know about geographies, so I'm going to go to that other file. I've got that already downloaded, so I'll just bring it up and go to the index, and then table 3, click that, it takes me through. Again, sample size, so I can see all the sample sizes. I just want to do a bit of explanation around here. Police force area, this is the legacy police forces, as you can see there's only 6, but Lothian and Borders and Tayside, they actually have the same geography for the community justice area as they do for the legacy police force area. For the as I mentioned earlier, 2014-15, this will become the police divisions of Police Scotland. Again, same structure down the side for the down breaks. So I've got this other sheet here which I haven't explained, statistical significance, so I'm going to use some of the results from here. So I'm going to use Strathclyde. So I'm going to use its base size of number of respondents from Strathclyde, which is 3,779, and then I'm going to use the value 74%, the result 74% for less or the same for the local crime rate, perception of the crime rate in the local area in the last 2 years. So if I just click on it here, because the estimates in the table, the point estimates that we provide in the table don't perfectly mirror the population and have a level of uncertainty around them, we provide this worksheet to help explain the uncertainty by calculating a confidence interval that represents the range which the true value for the population lies in at a 95% confidence interval. So if I just plug in the results for Strathclyde for QS2 area, so 74, and then go to the base size, which is 3,779, and then press enter, it will calculate my margin of error, which is half the confidence interval, and so it makes an estimation for the margin of error. So it is estimating at 1.7%. So if I move up, we can then see the confidence interval lower limit is 72.3%, and then the upper confidence limit is 75.7%, and this is at a 95% confidence level. So we can say that the true value for the variable QS2 area, crime rate in the local area for Strathclyde, is between 72.3% and 75.7% with a 95% confidence interval. So that's the end of this video introducing the Scottish Crime and Justice Survey data tables. Thanks for watching and listening. Look out for our next video, and if you have any questions or queries in the meantime, just get in touch through our contacts page. Bye bye for now.